Hello, welcome to Russian Pancake Week. I'm 250 miles away from Moscow, and Russians celebrate Shrovetide. Before the Lent, they eat, drink a lot, even outside, and the traditional food is a Russian pancake. Like and subscribe, and let's watch this fun. It's a Luna Park in a typical Russian city, Tambov, and Russians can buy blini right here outside. With different flavors. Also, more stuff is sold here. Traditional Russian things, and all the machines are working for children. So it's fun and delicious. Share your comments and watch my full video from here.